Hey there, wonderful viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and uncovering the amazing benefits of pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are not just Halloween decorations. They're packed with goodness that can positively impact your health in many ways. So, let's get ready to explore the hidden gems within pumpkin seeds. Number 1. A healthy route to weight loss. Eating pumpkin seeds as a snack can aid your weight loss journey. They are great for burning fat and gaining muscle. They are satiating and rich in zinc and calcium, protein, and fibers. Fiber helps your digestive system and makes you feel less hungry throughout the day. That prevents you from overeating throughout the day, preventing you from gaining weight. Zinc helps burn fat and helps you lose weight effectively while offering various other health benefits. Number 2. Rich source of antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. Carotenoids are essential to protect you from diseases as they make your immune system stronger. Carotenoids also stimulate collagen to maintain elasticity in your skin. In addition, the antioxidants in pumpkin seeds protect you from free radicals and reduce inflammation by adding to its list of health benefits. Number 3. Reduce the risk of cancer. Studies have shown that diets containing pumpkin seeds help reduce cancer risk. Including them in your diet can help you prevent lung, breast, stomach, prostate, and colon cancer. Some studies have shown that they help prevent breast cancer in postmenopausal women. In contrast, other studies show that these seeds play a small role in treating breast cancer. Further studies prove that pumpkin seeds help greatly slow down prostate cancer cells growth. Number 4. Rich source of magnesium. Many people tend to suffer from magnesium deficiency without it ever being diagnosed. These seeds are a natural source of magnesium to help counter magnesium deficiency. It is harmful to consume less magnesium than required, as magnesium is critical for controlling your blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart diseases. Magnesium also helps maintain your bone health and regulate your blood sugar levels. Number 5. Maintain your heart health. The antioxidants, zinc, and magnesium in this superfood maintain heart health. In addition, pumpkin seeds help control high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. These are high-risk factors for heart diseases and need regulation for optimum health benefits. Adding them to your meals may also help increase nitric oxide in your blood. According to studies, this shows positive effects on the health of our hearts. Nitric oxide works to expand blood vessels to improve blood flow. As a result, it reduces the risk of plaque growing in your arteries significantly, preventing heart ailments. Number 6. Lower blood sugar levels. Studies show that another health benefit of this food accompaniment is diabetes management. In addition, the magnesium content in pumpkin seeds is responsible for lowering the level of blood sugar. Therefore, nutritionists believe that diets containing pumpkin seeds may reduce the risks of diabetes. Number 7. Improve sleep quality. Eating a handful before you sleep can help you sleep better. Being a natural source of amino acid, tryptophan, which promotes sleep. The zinc and magnesium levels in pumpkin seeds also create peaceful sleep patterns. It is critical to improve your sleep quality to maintain your health. It gives you the energy you need to get through your day and is essential. Number 8. Improve bladder and prostate health. Pumpkin seeds may help you relieve the symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH). Some research studies even prove that these seeds help with an overactive bladder. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds that make them a must-have in your pantry. From their nutrient-packed profile to their versatility in the kitchen, these little wonders can make a big impact on your overall well-being. So, whether you're looking to boost your heart health, support your immune system, or simply enjoy a tasty snack, don't forget to include pumpkin seeds in your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video informative. As always, stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.